Good morning, students. Myself, B.N. Singh, going to start the chapter in English from your first line. The first chapter is a letter to God. It has been written by G.L. few times. In this chapter, it talks about a farmer. Because of the hailstorm, because of the heavy cold, heavy rain, his crops are ruined, destroyed. But he had a great faith in the Lord God. So it has been explained about his faith, how deep faith he had in God. Regarding it, as you know, there was only one house in the valley, on the top of the hill, and right from there he could watch each and everything. There was his field full of crops. Flowers were already entangled with the plants. But as there was no rain, so it had been created by the writer that all the crops were looking towards the sky and they were just praying for some downpour, some rain. And it started raining. And then after some time it started hailing stone. The very farmer, watching his crops, he thought that these rains were like gold. But because of the hailstone, all the fields covered with snow and everything was destroyed. Now Lencho the farmer became so sad. How could he support his family members throughout the year? As his wife cooking in that time, she became very sad. All the members of the family, they had a great hope from the crops that this year there was going to be a good harvest. But everything was destroyed because of the heavy rain and hailstone. Now, the very farmer, Lencho, now he was sad. He was looking here, hither and thither. What should be done? How can he support his family members throughout the year? In this regard, he had a great faith in God. You know, here, because of his faith, he did not think to take help from other people. But he was sure that he will get help from God. How he had a lot of dreams about his crops. That year the crops were going to be very good. Good harvesting will be done there. but everything was white. Here there were no flowers remained attached to the plants. They were looking deserted. And now there was nothing there to be hopeful. So Lencho the farmer thought of a plan how he should get help. As he was a God-fearing person, he had a great faith in the Lord God. Hence, he made up his mind to get help from God. And though he was a farmer, but he knew very well how to read and write. So he decided to write a letter in the name of God. How surprising and what a great faith! क्या विश्वास है, कितने आश्चर्यजनक बातें हैं कि इस तरह से लेंचो को भगवान में विश्वास था कि कोई हेल्प करे या ना करे, भगवान के द्वारा उसको सहयोग मिलेगा और निश्चित रूप से मिलेगा. So this was a great help he got. Though he hoped that he would get help. So he decided to write a letter to God, asking for help from God. Next, early in the morning, he went to the post office. Just took an envelope and some papers, started writing everything he needed. What he wrote? He wrote, students, God is everywhere. We have faith, everyone has faith. जब हमें इतना विश्वास है और हम अपने आप को जब भगवान की शरण में सरेंडर कर जाते हैं, समर्पण कर देते हैं, निश्चित रूप से भगवान हमें देखते हैं. इस प्रकार से उसने एक लेटर लिखा जिसमें ये मेंशन किया कि हे प्रभु, हो लॉर्ड गॉड, if you are not going to help me, our whole family members would die of hunger. But they were sure that no one dies of hunger. कोई भूख से मरता नहीं है. इस बारे में उनकी जानकारी थी, इतना वो श्योर थे, और इसलिए उस लेटर में उन्होंने मेंशन किया कि हमें आप हेल्प करें, हम मजबूर हैं, हमारे क्रॉप्स फेल हो गए हैं. और इस तरह से उसने लेटर लिखा और उसने उस लेटर को एनवेलप में डाला, स्टैम्प लिया, स्टैम्प लगा के और पे एड्रेस लिख दिया, अ लेटर टू गॉड. हाउ सरप्राइजिंग एंड व्हाट अ ग्रेट फेथ लेंचो had in his core of heart. And now he just put the letter into the mailbox. The very postman of that post office, just he took out the letter, and in that letter, seeing the address, a letter to God, he started laughing. And he took the letter to the postmaster. The postmaster also started laughing. What? How surprising. They didn't have expected that such a persons are there in the world who can write a letter to God for help? But the postmaster was a genius person, an intelligent person. Then he realized the fact, became serious, and he called out all his staff members before him, and they decided to help this farmer as they collected money. And as it was almost part of the salary of the postmaster, he shared with other money which were contributed by the other members of the staff, and they sent those rupees, that money, to Lancho. Lancho received the money and became so happy. But when he took out the money and counted, it was 70 pesos. Pesos, like rupiah and rupees. That is a currency of Latin American countries. Lancho became a little bit sad. He told, "Oh God, I had asked for 100 pesos and I have got only 70 pesos. What these rest 30 pesos have, where they have gone? God is true. God is true. He cannot send less than 100 pesos. Means those 30 pesos have been either taken out by the staff members of the post office, and hence everything was imposed on the very charge that the rest 30 pesos have been taken out by the staff members of the post office was imposed. ये 30 पेसोस की बात थी जो उसने लेंचो ने स्टाफ मेंबर्स पर रख दिया कि इन्होंने निकाल दिया है, क्योंकि उसको इतना विश्वास है भगवान में कि बोले कि नहीं, भगवान तो पूरा ही भेजे होंगे, इन लोगों ने 30 पेसोस निकाल दिया है, क्योंकि गॉड इज ट्रू। इस प्रकार से स्टाफ मेंबर्स के द्वारा उसको हेल्प किया गया, और फिर भी अपने ऊपर इनके जो स्टाफ मेंबर्स थे उनके ऊपर आरोप लगा। स्टिल दे वर सेटिस्फाइड, दे डिडंट शेक ऑफ द फेथ ऑफ दैट फार्मर। दे न्यू वेरी वेल दैट वंस ही हैड faith in Lord God, it cannot be broken. And this way, इस प्रकार लेंचो के जो विश्वास था उसको बनाए रखा गया। हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत इसमें कुछ बातें हुई। इस प्रकार एक राइटर के द्वारा जो शो किया गया है इस माध्यम से कि भगवान में विश्वास था, भगवान में विश्वास होनी चाहिए, और एक किसान जो कंप्लीट मॉनसून पे डिपेंड करता है, हाउ गैम्बलिंग द कल्टिवेशन इज, द एग्रीकल्चर इज, हैव बीन बेटरली डिपिक्टेड बाय द राइटर। Thank you, students. I know very well you must have understood the gist, the story of this chapter. Thank you.